This is a solar photovoltaic cell. These can also be called solar cells, like the ones you see on rooftops and on solar-powered objects. Each one works based on a small, thin semiconductor covered on each side with a solution of various chemicals. These chemicals, when exposed to light, release small amounts of energy. This energy can be captured by the semiconductor and be used to power various objects. When separate, each cell is just that, a cell, but when multiple are put together, they become a module. When multiple modules are put together, they become an array.
Photovoltaics are similar to solar thermal power, but they are used for different things. Solar thermal power is generally used to heat water, where PV cells convert light directly into usable energy. One of the largest companies to make PV cells is First Solar. They are an American company based out of Tempe, Arizona. They currently hold the record for most efficient cadmium telluride panel. This is a panel with a cadmium telluride solution. They have made it more efficient and thinner than any panel has been before. They are also the world's largest solar module maker.
There are hundreds and thousands of locations where PV cells are being used throughout Europe and the US. However, one of the most widely known locations would be on the International Space Station. The PV cells on the station are probably one of the most important parts of the whole station, because if they were to fail, then the crew on the station would die. The entire station is powered almost entirely by solar power, so if these arrays or cells were to fail, then the whole station may start to shut down. The cells on the station make about 24 kilowatts of energy, or around 86.4 million joules.
An average cell here on Earth will function with about 15 to 16% depending where on the planet you are, meaning that someone nearer to the equator will have a higher efficiency than someone in the northern half of Canada. Because of this, it varies how many kilowatt hours of electricity will be put out, because it can be anywhere from 800 to 1500 depending where the cells are put. Solar PV cells are available at reasonable prices throughout the country. They can range anywhere from a couple $100 all the way to in the thousands of dollars. The range in price depends on how big the cell/module is and how efficient the whole system is.